How to link Google Forms to Google Sheet? For that, you have to open Google Forms and open the form that you have created in Google Forms. Then once you open it, you need to tap on responses next to questions. As we can see that here is no any responses. If you have got any responses on your Google Forms, simply you need to tap on view in sheets at the top right corner of the screen. Then after that, the form will be open in Google Sheets. So linking your Google Forms to Google Sheet is a way beneficial because every time when someone fills up the Google Forms, then it will be automatically added here. So it will be very easy to organize all the responses. So once you have linked your Google Forms to Google Sheet, you can also easily share by tapping on the share button at the top of the screen. And here you can add people, groups and calendar events. You can add their email address and click on done and share it to them as well. So that's how we can easily link Google Forms to Google Sheet. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.